places and kindly be seated. 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 Please take your seat. No, you can't do like this. You are disrupting the house. The entire nation is watching you. Please sit down. No, please sit down. Please sit down. I'm speaking.
You are responsible, sir.
Listen. The rule number 94 says, I'm reading only a part of the rule 94. I'm not reading the entire rule number 94. I'm reading only a part of it. Please listen. Please. Please. I am doing. Please don't remind me of my job. I know what I am doing. Please listen to me. No, listen. The member, while making the speech, shall not refer to the details of the bill further than is necessary for the purpose of arguments, which shall be of a general character. What is the previous sentence? The discussion on a motion that the bill, or as the case may be, the bill is amended, as amended, be passed, shall be confined to the submission of arguments either in support of the bill or the rejection of the bill. So you have to decide whether you are supporting the bill or not supporting the bill and restrict to the discussion of the bill. And this is the 6th time I'm requesting you to restrict your discussion, to confine your discussion to the bill only. Yes.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय। तो सर मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ कि आज बैंकिंग सिस्टम अनफेयर हो चुका है। बैंकिंग सिस्टम आज गरीब, किसान, छात्र, अनुसूचित जाति के लिए, आदिवासी समाज के लिए नहीं काम कर रहा सर। एक समय था because CBI, income tax, ED are all busy after opposition politics.
Concluding, what way is it relevant to the bill now?
How will they find where Mehul Chowk is?
धन्यवाद माननीय सभापति जी, आपने मुझे आज मौका दिया है बैंकिंग लॉ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2024 पे अपने प्रस्तावना को रखने के लिए। And over 10 lakh crore rupees bad loans have been recovered in 10 years.
Somebody, 1 second, please.
Under rule. Mention the rule.
Kindly be seated. Kindly be seated. Kindly be seated.
Sir, point of order. 94. Read it.
I will listen to you. Sir, I will listen to you if you are seated. Kindly be seated. I will listen to your leader. Please be seated. Please be seated. Please be seated. I will listen to you. Please be seated. I will listen to you. Please be seated. Please be seated. I will listen to you. Please be seated. Who is standing? Please be seated. Please be seated, sir. Please be seated. No, please allow the house to function. You cannot stand as you wait. Please sit there. Please be seated. I'm requesting you. Why don't you listen to my request? Please be seated. No, it cannot go on like this. Please be seated. Please. I'm requesting everybody. No, sir. Please look behind. No, sir. There are 10. Okay, sir. Okay. Mr. Raja, would you like to speak?
Mention the rule.
Sir.
You mentioned the rule, okay, rule number.
Sir, 94. Sir, 94. Read.
90 or 94?
94.
94, okay.
Nishikant referred. Sir, 94.
Minister,
Why you are laughing?
Minister,
Don't be a laughing stock. Don't be a laughing stock. Why you are laughing?
Mr. Raja, kindly
Why you
address
are
the chair.
laughing?
Sir, 1 second,
Sir,
please.
Justice
Please,
must
1
say.
second, please. Please address the chair.
Honorable member Nishikant submitted before this house 94. Goga is exceeding the limit beyond the 94. Now the honorable member is saying in 1971, Indira Gandhi picked up the phone and the loan was granted by State Bank. Is it within the bill? Are you having any substantial evidence? Where is the evidence? and baseless allegations. But chair is permitting. What does it mean? Yes. What does it mean? Give me the ruling.
I heard you. Mr. Sambit Patra,
No, I heard you. 1 second, please.
you have anything to say in defense? I will listen, otherwise then I'll take a decision. Please.
Yeah, 1 second, please.
Sir, I quote from, please the honorable members, sir, to you, sir, I draw my powers from what you laid in the rule number 94. We have to be within the ambits of the bill that is being discussed, the amendment that is being discussed. Here we are discussing the Indian banking sector and the amendment therein. So of course, sir, Nagarwala case is one of the foundations of आज मैं जब अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी पूरी में परसों गया था ड्रेस रिहर्सल देखने के लिए नेवी डे के लिए, मुझे बहुत दिनों बाद सी बीच में गोलगप्पे खाने का मन किया। मैंने गोलगप्पे खाए तो पेटीएम करके मैं आया हूं सर। यही फर्क है यूपीए का और एनडीए का।
Thank you. Before I call Shri Rajiv Rai ji, Saugat Rai ji, आपको 1 मिनट. हाँ.
Please allow me. Just
Yes,
1
please.
minute. 1 minute.
1 second.
Sir, while the discussion was going on, Honorable Member Nishikant Dubey referred to Rule 94. The discussion on a motion that the bill, or as the case may be, the bill as amended be passed shall be confined to the submission of arguments either in support of the bill or for rejection of the bill. This is all right, well taken.
Thank you, sir.
But
Thank
here,
you.
sir, please listen to me. Sir, you are also new to the House. Please listen to me. You may pick up a little bit of information from me.